Hi everyone. I'm recording this video as a testimonial for Rashmi. Rashmi Di has been such a delight and such a heavenly, godly sent figure in my life that whatever I say will be less. How much ever I thank her will be less. She's come like an angel in my life. So there are three things I would like to talk about. One, I am a very old, 10-year-old patient of fibromyalgia, which means that I have been suffering of fibromyalgia for last 10 years. And fibromyalgia is a disease which is something very rare. It's unheard of. So I was going through so much pain in the body. I was going through so much of inflammation in the body that I used to feel that something's majorly wrong with me. I'm emitting heat, I'm emitting fire. All the time I used to feel that something's burning inside my body. And every day, I'm not exaggerating, every single day I was down with fever. At work, by 5 o'clock, I will pop my first Crocin or Calpol because I was so down on energy and so feverish by then. By 7, I will have to take another medicine like a Calpol or Crocin. And again, once I reach home, I used to be dead. And in the night, I have to take one more medicine, a Calpol or Crocin, and sleep. Otherwise, next morning I cannot wake up, and next morning I will not be able to go to work. The fibromyalgia is a disease which is an autoimmune disease. For the first 5 years, the doctors could not diagnose what the problem is. So just to let you know what fibromyalgia is, just like you have arthritis in your bones, but arthritis in the bones can be seen in your scans and x-rays. X-rays show the density of the bone going down. X-rays show that there is a problem in the bone which has become a little bent, or the structure is changed, or there's a swelling, or any sort of a condition with the bone. In fibromyalgia, it is everything to do with the muscles, and in no x-rays and no scans show that. So it is very difficult to diagnose fibromyalgia. For the first 5 years, no doctor could diagnose what the problem is. Nobody knew what the problem is. All they used to tell me is, you're taking too much stress, you're too worked up, and you'll be fine. Vitamin D is low, your calcium is low. Take vitamin and D3 tablets, take the shots, or take calcium supplements. And they used to give me painkillers to subside the pain in the body, and the pain in the body used to be unbearable. Entire body muscles are paining, and the doctors do not know why. Every day I'm down with fever, doctors do not know why. So much so that I went into severe depression. I used to get suicidal thoughts and tendencies because I used to pray to God to give me 5 minutes of pain-free body. The body pain was so much. Finally, when I got diagnosed, when I knew what the problem is, the allopathy medicines were very heavy. They used to give me muscle relaxants, nerve soothers, and if they don't work for pain, then the next level was steroids. And I did not want to take any steroids. I went, then allopathy chhod ke I went Ayurveda. Stayed in Kerala for a month, that did not help. What I'm trying to say is I tried everything. After going to places, after trying everything, nothing worked, nothing could cure me. Finally, I get Rashmi in my life. Of course, two things I must tell you. One is her healing. Healing is the spiritual aspect, which is also needed. And then comes the food aspect, the diet that I was following. Now, there is one thing that I believe in, which is food is medicine. And that's exactly what Rashmi also believes in, that she will try to cure you with food. I also did my research. She also has amazing knowledge and experience. She gave me a particular diet to follow. She told me the do's and don'ts that I'm supposed to follow. And of course, it was accompanied with the healing sessions that I have taken with her. So what I'm trying to tell you is you need both the things going hand in hand for you. The healing session was a miracle. So much so that in first healing session I got such beautiful experiences, such divine experiences. I got married last year, and with so much of health condition, I had never thought that somebody like me at age 37, I will be able to conceive very easily because stress levels at work were extremely high. Body condition was so bad. PCOD was a problem, fibromyalgia was a problem, body aches were bad. If you understand that if there is a machine that can tell you what is your body age, my body age was 65, 70. That means my body is like a 65 or a 70-year-old person's body. I was really worried, how will I be able to ever conceive? In the very first healing session I saw that I will be having a baby. In the very first healing session with Rashmi, I actually saw my child, you know, and it was so divine. It was like a miracle. And I actually forgot about it. But she's such an amazing person that she really takes care of you. She took care of me like a baby. She kept sending me healings and she kept giving me healing sessions. While I was with her in person, of course, she gave me a lot of healing sessions. When I'm away, when I talk to her, she sends me distinct healing. Along with that, she told me what to eat, what not to eat. So the entire diet that we followed together, she told me what to eat in the morning, what to eat in the afternoon, what to eat in the evening. Right from having fruits in the morning to having vegetable juice by noon, having only 2 cooked meals, that too without milk and wheat, and to have nut milk in the night. Things like these, which I religiously followed. My body has improved a lot. And I must tell you, while I'm recording this testimonial for Rashmi, I'm 8 months pregnant. My pregnancy happened in a very natural, organic way, which means I did not even know that I would be conceived. It came to me like a surprise. And she had told me, Sneha, don't be surprised if something like this happens. And I used to always feel कि यार मेरे केस में इतना इजीली हो जाएगा क्या? आपको डॉक्टर्स हमेशा डरा देते हैं, आपका बॉडी ठीक नहीं है, आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है, आपका एज बड़ा है, too many things, right? But as I said, she's come like an angel. Her healing sessions have come like a miracle in my life. I have not only conceived in a very natural manner, I'm 8 months pregnant. I used to be all swollen. There used to be a lot of puffiness in my face. People used to feel something's wrong with me. Just looking at me, they used to feel that what is wrong? She's swollen all the time. She's so puffy. I lost all that swelling. I lost all that puffiness. In fact, I did not gain any excess weight. If I was not pregnant, I would have lost weight. And in a very healthy manner. My energy levels have improved. My moods have improved. I do not get any suicidal tendencies anymore. I don't get any negative thoughts anymore. I used to be so moody in the past. I am so calm, composed, and happier these days. So both my pregnancy and my disease going away and my health improving is like a miracle in my life. So I really want to thank Rashmi for making this happen. As I said, how much ever I thank her won't be enough. She really knows what she's doing. She really is an angel. When she gives you healing, she really gives healing selflessly, and she only means well for you. I would recommend everybody to follow her diet. Of course, she's a rock star when it comes to diabetes. She's mastered, curing people's sugar and diabetes. But diabetes is such a common disease today that everybody understands the nuances of diabetes. But somebody like me, who's got a disease which is so rare, fibromyalgia is something you have not even heard of. You don't even read or hear this name commonly. I could not even pronounce it when I heard it for the first time. क्या है ये? But for someone like me also, she's helped. She's able to cure me to a great extent. So please follow her diet thoroughly, follow her diet religiously, dedicate at least 3 to 6 months minimum to her diet that she's telling you to follow. Because I also took that much time to improve my health. And with so much of wrong eatings for last so many years and decades, with so much of stress levels and negative energies and thoughts that we carry in our mind for so many days, months, decades, I think now that she's helping you transform, into a positive soul, into a positive body, into a positive mind. So give 3 to 6 months at least. Dedicate those 3 to 6 months minimum to her diet, to her healing sessions, to her counseling, and then see the transformation in you. I think to be justified, to have a right effect of what she's giving you, give those 3 to 6 months for sure. And then see how life changes. It will be a beautiful change in any and everybody's life, I can assure you. And once again, Rashmidi, I can't thank you enough. Love you so much. Thank you.